Want to create some chaos or fun personality in your stream? Today I'm going to show you how to create random media in MixItUp, which is perfect for walk-ons, alerts, or even chat commands. A few programs that you will need include Audacity or whatever program you use to get your recorded media, MixItUp, Notepad editor, and of course OBS. Now I'm going to be going through the entire process, so please check the timestamps below if you need a specific part of the process. So within Audacity, I will go out and I will get the sound that I need to record so I can have that sound to save to be used within the sound command. Let's record a sound.
Avocado. Thanks.
So after I've gotten the sound recorded, what I'll do is I'll do some quick edits to the sound. Now you can export your sound into your random sounds folder. And there we go. Now we have the sound recorded and it's ready to use in our random sounds in the next step. After you've recorded your sound through Audacity or however you get your sound to use in your command, place it in a folder that you will never move. If you move it after you set it up, it will break the command. Now for this demo, what I'm going to do is take about 6 sounds and I'm actually going to copy these and I'm going to place them in a folder that I've created for this demo. So now we have our sounds. Now we're going to open up our Notepad editor and I have both the Notepad editor and our sound folder open so you can see the process. What you're going to want to do is within your media folder, the folder where you have your media and your sounds, you're going to right click on the name of the sound. You're going to select copy as path and you're going to paste this within the Notepad. We're going to get rid of the quotation marks. And then we're going to press enter and we're going to do this for all of our sounds. So once you have all of your sounds within your text file, we can go ahead and save it. I have a folder that is specifically for all my MixItUp text files. So I save them in here because I know I'll never move them out of here. So we're going to just call this Media Demo Sounds. Finally, within MixItUp, we are going to go to commands. We're going to create a new command. And the name doesn't matter, but I am going to call it Media Demo. The chat trigger does matter. You can choose whether to have the exclamation point or not. I just leave it. I'm going to call this Media. Now we're going to want to add 2 actions to this command. The first action that we're going to want to add is called File, Read, and Write. The action that we want this action to take is read random line from file. And then we'll go and grab this text file. So this special identifier name is very important. Whatever you name this, remember that you name it this. You're going to need it for later. I'm just going to copy it. The second action that you're going to want to add to this command is sound. And then the file type, we're going to route back to our text file. And to do that, we are going to do a $sign and then the name, the special identifier. We'll say save here. And now we have this media demo with the media trigger. So now to test it, I'm going to go to my chat and Twitch and I am going to type media.
Sugar pea.
And if I look at my random sounds demo file, I see that that was number 16 that played. And to prove it,
Sugar pea.
It played on my other screen. Here we go. Okay, and let's do it again.
Oh, right. The poison for Cusco. The poison chosen specially to kill Cusco. Cusco's poison.
And we know that was number 13. And here we go.
Oh, right. The poison for Cusco. The poison chosen specially to kill Cusco. Cusco's poison.
Okay, let's do it one more time. And we know that that was the trumpet sound. I'm not going to play the trumpet sound, but you get the idea. Now, as a side note, you can have clips, which is why I'm calling it media rather than specifically sounds. If you want to add specific clips to random, you can. It's all a matter of basically following the same steps, but instead of sounds, you would use clips. I really hope that this is helpful for you, and I hope that you enjoyed this. If you do use this command, let me know in the comments what are some random sounds that you are going to add to your community. Thank you so much for watching and have a good one. Take care. Bye.